Yes, today I'm showing you another Chinese recipe, which is my kids' favorite recipe. It's honey chicken. They love eating that when they go out in a restaurant, and when I make at home, they love it. It's kids' favorite recipe. Very quick, very easy, very less ingredients. Here, as I told you earlier in my recipes, that I always fry the chicken earlier. This fried chicken, how did I fry this chicken was, you can see that in my chicken Manchurian video, which is underneath, but I'll just recap you quickly. So this is chicken breast into cubes. I added some corn flour, some just white plain flour, some salt, some soya sauce, black pepper, baking powder, and I add 1 egg, and I just mixed it and deep fried it and put it separately. For every Chinese chicken you're making, you need this fried chicken. So just make this earlier and then just make the sauce and toss it, and it's ready. Right, so this is about 750 grams of chicken cubes. I got about 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, some chopped garlic, some ginger julienne, about 5 tablespoons of honey, and I've got here some sesame seeds, which I'm going to use in the end just for the decor, some spring onions, some corn flour, which I dissolve in water, and a little bit of white pepper, which is optional. If you want to avoid this, you can avoid it, and a little bit of salt. So first of all, I'm adding my garlic, ginger julienne, just add it. Now you can see it's fried, the garlic and ginger. I'm adding the ketchup and all the honey. Mix it. Just add it, just few drops of water in there, and a little bit of salt now at this stage. And this is nearly ready. Now I'm adding a little bit of corn flour, just 1 or 2 teaspoons, just for the thickness. Just taste it now at this stage. And now finally just add this fried chicken in there. Toss it. Now it's all mixed up. There's no cooking, there's not much cooking in this recipe. I'm just adding some toasted sesame seeds. Look at that. And just some spring onions on top. And it's ready to enjoy with fried rice, egg fried noodles, whatever you like, or if you're on a diet, you can just eat it with fork with salad.